So you have this massive data in Excel that is all vertical and you want to make it horizontal. So in this video, I'll show you how to transpose your data from a vertical to a horizontal format. It is pretty simple, but can be annoying if you are not sure how to do it. So let me show you two methods how you can transpose your data in Excel. Here in my Excel sheet, I have some data. I have the item type in this column. Then in this column, I have the number of orders placed. In the first method, which is static method, is just select the data that I want to transpose, which is from here A2 and then B2 all downwards here to A9 and then B9. Then I click my mouse, then I click here on copy, then I click where I want to transpose my data, so it is here. Then I right click my mouse, then click here on paste special. Make sure you have clicked on paste special, and this paste special dialog box appears. Check the transpose, then click here on OK, and that is it. You have your data transposed. For example, if I put 80 here, it will not change automatically here. Let me do that. 80. As you can see, it has not changed. And this now brings us to the second method. So the best thing with dynamic method is that when we change anything here or here, it will automatically reflect in our transposed data. Now let's do that. In this method, what I'm going to do is just type here what we want to place here. For example, I want baby food to come in this cell. So it is on column A, then row number 2. So let's type that A2. Then for this 165, which is the number of orders placed, it is on column B, then row number 2. So it is B2, like that. Then to apply this dynamic method, we need to put a preface before what we have typed. So what we are going to do, I'm going to use my name initials. So just come here on the formula bar, put my initials of my name, this AG, and also the other one, I put a preface of my initial names, AG again. Then I select the two cells. Then what I'm going to do is autofill or drag like this up to, note it is up to A9 and B9. As you can see, when I'm dragging, it is indicating it is on which cell. So it is now on AG A9. That is where our data ends. Then I click like that. So now the next step I'm going to do is now click on Ctrl H, find and replace. So we want to replace our preface, which is AG. So we replace that by the equal signs. Let me bring my on-screen keyboard. I put the equal sign on here, replace with, so I make sure I have clicked on that. Then I put the equal sign. Then I click here on replace all. So all is done, and it says we have made 16 replacement. Then click on OK. So let's close this. As you can see now, our data is transposed. So this is very dynamic. When I change anything here, for example, when I change this cell of officer price maybe to 70, the officer price here will change to 70. So let's click enter. As you can see, it has changed. Another cell maybe for household, let's put 100. Let's see whether it will change. Click enter. As you can see, it has changed. So that second method is very dynamic of transposing data, because you don't have to do it again and again when you update your original data. That's all I have in this video, and if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my future videos. Thank you for watching. and you are always welcome in my channel.